Rummikub, the original game that brings people together. Turn them, mix them, stack them. Each player takes 14 tiles. Basics you need to know. Each set must have at least 3 tiles. Group, same number, different color. Run, same color, 3 or more tiles with consecutive numbers. See the number on the tile? That's its value. Aim of the game. Be the first to play out all of your tiles by forming them into sets. Initial meld. Jump into the game by putting an initial meld on the table in 1 or more sets. The initial meld must total at least 30 points. Jokers can be used. You cannot add on to sets already on the table. Or, if you can't play, take a tile from the pool. This will end your turn. A tile from the table cannot be put back onto your rack. Now for the most exciting part, manipulations and strategy. At least 1 tile from your rack must be used to manipulate the table. Every tile played on the table must be used during the turn. Add-on. Use the tiles on your rack to build onto 1 or more sets. Add the blue 3 to the run and the blue 8 to the group of 8s, forming new sets. Grab the 4th tile from a group on a table to make a new set. Take the blue 4 from the group of 4s and add it to the 3, 5, and 6 from your rack to create a new set. Add and split. Add tiles from your rack to a run and take what you can from that set to create new ones. Add the blue 11 to the blue run, take the blue 8 from the run and the 8s from your rack and create a new group of 8s. Combine split. Take a tile from here, a tile from there, and a tile from your rack to form a new set. Take the blue 1 from your rack, the yellow 1 from the run, and the red 1 from the group to create a new group of 1. Multiple split. Break sets apart, manipulate the tiles, and create new sets. You can add tiles from your rack as well. The Jokers. You can use the Joker in sets of runs and groups. Group. The Joker represents black 3 or yellow 3. Run. The Joker represents red 4. Like all sets, a set with a Joker needs at least 3 tiles. Clearing the Joker. You can clear the Joker with tiles from your rack or by manipulating the table. The Joker can once again be used for any value or color, but must be played in the same turn. The Jokers from your rack can be played at any stage of the game. Cleared Jokers on the table are waiting to be used again, as long as 3 tiles remain in every set. Pay attention! The penalty for having a Joker left on your rack at the end of the game is 30 points. You're the first player to empty your rack? Let everyone know by shouting out, "Rummikub!" Congratulations, you won!